In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk send emails using Send in Blue Brevo, ensuring you can effectively communicate with your contacts without the hassle. Let's jump right in. First, you'll want to start by clicking on Contacts, which you will find neatly situated in the left sidebar of the platform. This area is your gateway to managing all things related to the individuals on your email list. Once accessed, proceed by selecting Import Contacts. This option allows you to streamline your contact list directly into the platform. Now you have a couple of choices when it comes to uploading your contacts. You can either upload a CSV, TXT or Excel file, or if you prefer, simply copy and paste your contact emails directly. This step is crucial in guaranteeing that your contacts are organized and ready for your email campaign. After you've uploaded your contacts, it's time to map the data fields. This involves pairing your contact details like email, name, or any tags, which helps in personalizing your emails further down the line. The next part is to assign your contacts to a specific list. This is not only about organization, but also about efficient management and ensuring that the right message reaches the right people at the right time. Once your contacts are neatly imported and assigned, navigate over to Campaigns and from there select Email. Here you'll want to click on Create an Email Campaign. This is where your campaign begins to take shape. Name your campaign something memorable or descriptive, and then proceed by hitting Create Campaign. Now it's time to add the recipients. Click on Add Recipients, and from the lists or segments available, select those you wish to receive your email. Configuring the subject and designing your email comes next. This is where you craft your message and ensure it captures your audience's attention right from the subject line. Finally, you'll want to think about the timing. Schedule and send your email campaign using one of Brevo's intuitive scheduling options. You can choose to send your email immediately to engage your contacts at just the right moment, or if the timing isn't quite right, schedule it for a later date and time. There you have it, a systematic guide on setting up and executing a bulk email campaign using Send in Blue Brevo. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to mastering email marketing campaigns, making sure your message gets delivered in an organized, timely, and efficient manner. Thanks for tuning in, and happy emailing.